Hello everyone, I am from SQA Group 3 of Section 2A. This is our Lab 5 which explain about how to use Gitlab and how to install it. My name is Vinusha Suntara Raju and these are my teammates Deepa Darshani Anak Perempuan Janamoni, Muhammad Alif Akmal, Muhammad Fitri Firdaus and Nur Izzatul Ifa. So what is Gitlab? Gitlab is a web-based Git repository that provides free, open, and private repositories. It issues following capabilities and wikis. It is a complete development operation platform that enables professionals to perform all the tasks in the project, from project planning and source code management to monitoring and security. In simple terms, Gitlab allows us to perform all project phases at one place. So why should we use Gitlab? Gitlab is the first application which is built to cover all stages of the development operation cycle. This means the project, product, development, quality assurance and operation teams can all work together simultaneously, making the software development life cycle 3 times faster. So there is a built-in continuous integration and continuous delivery features which make it seamless to go from a code change to a running pipeline. On top of that, GitLab has a project management, issue tracking, and free private repository hosting to make it easier to plan and manage our projects. So what are the advantages of GitLab? GitLab is secure, it is open source, transparent, and everyone can contribute. So there are a few GitLab functionality that we will discuss. My friends will later discuss all of these functionality. We have create and add our SSH public key, create a project, create a group, create a branch, feature branch workflow, fork a project, add a file, create an issue, and create a merge request. So before we can start using GitLab, we should know that GitLab is actually done for the Linux environment. So because I'm only using the basic features and function, we do not need to install GitLab. We can just go to the GitLab web application using the URL gitlab.com. So since I do not have a GitLab account, I'll just register for it and I'll register for it using my GitHub account. So once I've registered, I will be sent to the main page of GitLab.
Hello, my name is Deepa Darshani Anak Perempuan Janamani and my metric ID is CB18064. So today we'll see one of the unique features which is creating an SSH key for GitLab. SSH key is used to authenticate the GitLab remote server and also to have a secure connection with Git. So the first step would be to check our SSH version, and for that go on to the command prompt and put in the command as above. As we can see, it's 8.1. If it's later than 6.5, we are good to go. Next up, check if you already have generated a pair before. If there is a subdirectory called .ssh here, then you have generated one. If you have not, then go on and generate one according to the steps that will be shown. Put in this command in the command prompt and click on enter. We will create a pair and we will save it in the directory here. Click on enter again. Now put in a passphrase, which is basically a password. Passphrase is unique to every person, and I'm actually writing my passphrase here, but it doesn't show for security purposes. Our key has been generated. Go on to our directory and you should see the .ssh file folder here. This is our private key, this is our public key. Go ahead, open our public key in the notepad. Copy it. We will be needing it in a while, and go to your GitLab project. Click on your avatar, go to preferences, then go on to SSH keys and paste it here. It can be any title. We'll just put in laptop key. We do not have to put in the expiration date, and click on add key. Once you click on that, our key has been added successfully. This can also be used to enable two-factor authentication. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Alif Akmal bin Muhammad Nazri, CB19008 from Section 2, Group 3. Today I will show you on how to create a project on GitLab and create a new branch. First we need to log in, and I'm using website Gitlab. you can create a project, and then you can choose to create a blank project or to import. So today I want to import the project from my GitHub. And then select SQA group 3, then import. It will take some time to import it. After the import has complete, just click go to the project, and it will directly show the project. And if you want to add a new branch, either you can click on this and then add new branch, then create, or you can create new branch by here, and then create new branch. And you can see the branch that I have created. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzatul Ifah binti Mazlan, CB18117. Today I will show you how to create a group and how to fork a project. First, we must sign in first, and then you can choose create a group, and then select create group. For the group name, we will start with, for example, SQA group 3. And we can choose the visibility level, whether private or public. Here, I will choose public. Then personalize your Gitlab experience with answering the following question: the role, who will be using this group, which is my company. And then we also can invite Gitlab member to join the group. And then this is the optional. And then we can create group. Then the group have been created. Next, I will show you how to fork a project. On the project's homepage in the top right, click on fork button. Okay, enter the project name, select a namespace, project slot, and we can enter project description. This is the optional, and we can choose visibility level. Here I will choose private, then fork project. And now I will go back to my project. Okay, then here we can see the project is forked successfully, and now this is forked.
Hello, my name is Fitri. For my part, I'm gonna tell you about Gitlab, which is about send the merge requests and issues. So for request first, this is the your project, and then you go here, your project, and then you create. You go to the top bar. You can find this merge request. You click the assign to you or review request for you, and you can create a new merge request from here by clicking this button. From here, there is a field that you need to fill first. We need to choose. So this is the main for the target branch. This is the source branch that you want to request. And make sure that you select the different branch from the target branch. So I took the manage order, and then you compare branches and continue now. So this is the field that you need to fill. So for this example, I don't need to fill it. I just create the merge request. Since there's no changes at all, so it will go as this merge request contains no changes. So for the next one, we go to the issues, which is from here. You from the Gitlab, you go the menu. select your project and click the top bar issues, and then you click here. They will allow you to create new issues, and there will be a field you need to fill first. And that's all for my part. Thank you.